Hi guys, we're just gonna be doing some popping ASMR.
是芒果冻的，芒果冻你是不是也弄的？
Sorry guys. But yeah, that's it. Bye.